The sound of her name. Aarav and Mira, living in Paris and working on a secret mission in a news agency. They are in love and always ready to sacrifice their life for each other. One evening Aarav gets a call from unknown caller.
If you want to live, find Mira Sen.
You're late.
You used my name.
Then you came.
A half-lit cafe in Paris, hands brushing, unspoken rules. A train slicing dawn toward Prague, reflections merging on glass. A rented room, one bed, a loaded pistol on the table.
They'll keep coming.
They always do. If I disappear, you know what to do.
Don't ask me that.
I built the operation, the money, the erasures. When they tried to bury it, I became the loose end. This ends at names, proof.
It'll burn my agency.
It'll save lives. Listen to me.
It's me. It's me.
No. You're the contingency you always were. There's a second file, time-stamped.
You planned this.
Run.
Aarav, if you're hearing this, it means I was right. If you're hearing this, I chose only that worked. Don't look for me. Love doesn't survive secrets, but truth does.
Some stories end, so others can begin.
If you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for other exciting stories. Thanks for watching.